Welcome to Knobgear Company, unique engine and gearbox solutions. Today, we are excited to present a demonstration of our range extender setup, a testament to our cutting-edge technology and commitment to excellence. In this video, we demonstrate the setup of a range extender without one generator. This test aims to highlight the critical importance of maintaining equal moments of inertia in both crank assemblies. By removing one generator, we intentionally induce a failure state. Observe how the engine begins to shake and vibrate. Explanation: while the balancing of inertia forces from the sliding mass remains perfect due to the symmetrical construction and synchronous gear, the disruption of equal moments of inertia between both crankshafts leads to vibrations in this configuration. Thank you for your attention. We continue to drive innovation forward.